So we are pruning autumn fruiting raspberries right now. It's February, it's the best time to do it, and it's really easy, you can't go wrong. It's a bit more complicated with the summer fruiting raspberry, but with the autumn fruiting raspberry, you literally just cut them back down to the ground. So let's have a go, I'll show you what we're doing. So we literally want to select the stem and cut right back down to the very base. And we're going to do that with all the stems here. And then come spring, you'll see new shoots appearing, and those shoots will form the new canes which will fruit in the autumn. And here you can actually see the bud which will become the new shoot. It's kind of amazing to think that this is going to produce fruits this year, but it does. This shoot will grow up, produce a new cane and fruit in the autumn. So I'm just going to cut the old one just above that shoot. Again, here you can see right at the base is the shoot for the new cane, and this will be the fruiting shoot in autumn. So we've got a few more canes to cut here. We're going to work our way through this bed, and come autumn we can enjoy the fruits of our labour.